Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting piece of hardware to talk about. The Samsung 990 Pro Series 2TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD. If you're looking for blazing fast storage performance, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First off, let me tell you that the Samsung 990 Pro is considered one of the best M.2 NVMe SSDs on the market right now. It's designed for tech enthusiasts, gamers, and professionals who demand top-tier performance, and it certainly delivers. One of the standout features of this SSD is its performance. It uses the PCIe Gen 4 interface, which means it can achieve read speeds of up to a mind-blowing 7,450 megabytes per second and write speeds of up to 6,900 megabytes per second. That's significantly faster than its predecessor, the 980 Pro. But speed is just one part of the equation. The 990 Pro is built to last. It has a total bytes written rating of 1,200 terabytes, which means you can write up to 1,200 terabytes of data to this SSD before it wears out. That's like writing 600 gigabytes every day for 5 years. Impressive, right? And speaking of reliability, it has a mean time between failures rating of 1.5 million hours. In simpler terms, it's exceptionally reliable and has a very low chance of failing during its lifetime. But it's not just about speed and durability. The 990 Pro is also efficient. It consumes only 6 watts on average, which helps save power and extend the battery life of your devices. Plus, it has a smart thermal control system to prevent overheating. Now, let's talk compatibility. This SSD is compatible with most PCs that have an M.2 slot and support PCIe Gen 4 or lower. So, whether you have a gaming rig or a high-performance laptop, the 990 Pro will fit right in. Installation is straightforward, and Samsung provides useful software like the Samsung Magician. With it, you can monitor your SSD's health, update firmware, and optimize your system settings for peak performance. To wrap it up, the Samsung 990 Pro Series 2TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD is a top-of-the-line storage solution that combines speed, durability, and efficiency. If you're looking to upgrade your storage, this SSD should be at the top of your list. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more product critiques. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Feel free to customize and adapt this script to your own style and channel's format. Good luck with your YouTube video.